So today me and Fash are gonna go look at a couple of properties so I can see. Let me just tell you guys now, I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this, but right now is definitely a seller's market, which is why I'm selling my house so I can maximize the investment that I made into the house. I'm gonna be honest, you guys know that I did so many renovations to the house. There is a part of me that is fearful that if I don't sell now, that I won't get the money that I put into the house later on. Might be false, whatever, I don't know, but as of right now, the way it's looking, I'm going to make a nice little chunk. So I'm like, let me do that and wait when it turns into a buyer's market and see if I could probably do multiple properties instead of just one. Nonetheless, it is not a buyer's market at this particular time, and so my plan is to rent, wait for things to kind of settle, and then kind of go back into the market and buy something. So we're going to be looking for either a townhome or a house is what I'm doing, and of course I had to bring Fash with me. I'm really excited because first of all, I've been wanting to be back here for a very long time. So the fact that I'm here kind of still feels a little surreal. Not gonna say I'm not scared, but at least I know my way around, and like family's here, my mom is here. So like I know I'm not by myself. Let me open the sunroof and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have a really amazing day. And for those of you guys that have mentioned about the new car, yes, I do have a new car. I spoke to my broker. That ain't a problem. That's it. So you guys are gonna ride with us. I'm sorry about the light. I just opened up the sunroof so we can get some air flowing up and through here, but we're gonna go to the first place, so I'm excited. Let's go. Say hi, Fash. I'm so excited. My friend is coming to Atlanta. We're finna be in Zara every
right
day.
Okay.
So this is our office space.
Oh, this is nice. I like this.
Yeah.
How late does this stay open?
24/7.
Okay.
Just walk right in. This is a private area, private meeting area.
Oh, it's really pretty out here.
I know. This is our price point. We're selling this place.
Ooh, this is nice.
So would you be coming out here with anybody?
My kids?
Anybody person, special person?
No. No. It's warm out here and it feels really good. I like this seating area in the bar. Oh, this is nice. I love this, you guys. It looks so good. So this is the living room, which is like right when you come in to the stairs. I do love the kitchen and the pendant lights. Back door. This could be like a dining, another little sitting space and all of that. You know what's funny? Like if I was here, right, I would turn this area right here into the dining and then put that credenza that's in the loft here. That way, like this space was already kind of situated. And then of course, the living would be on this side. And honestly, this is a really great size also. I'm gonna go ahead and turn. That way you guys can see this area here. And then I'm going to go to the corner. That way you guys can see that area and see it this way, which I love. Really, really nice. Nice, open. And then there's a bathroom here. I like the fact that standing here and like recording and stuff like that, of course I have to think about work and everything. I do like the countertops. So this is the kitchen, so if I did like a cooking thing or whatever. So I do like this setup. And now I'm gonna go upstairs. I just wanna say now, a lot of the townhomes are set up like this. So one bedroom here, You have the upstairs. I love the fact that there's a plug. Most of them are kind of set up because, like I said, bathroom in the hallway. This is probably a laundry room over here. Yep, laundry room. There's shelvings and all of that in this room. This is the master. I can tell you now, if my bed was in here, it'll probably have to go against this wall just because this is the longest wall. And then my bedroom is already set up. And so this is the bathroom, which I like this. I like the shower. It's a really nice big shower. I'm really big on my showers, y'all. Bathroom, really nice. Closet, decent size. Decent size. Not too small. I would probably use the closet in the laundry room to do that. Let me do this. I'll probably end up using this room soon, but it's a nice space. Let's go downstairs, all the way down. So now we're going all the way downstairs. See what's down here. Garage door. Oh, this is cute. It's another bedroom. I like it, and it has a whole shower and everything. I do like this. This is cute. Super cute. And there's a closet. So this is a 4-bedroom, which is actually 1 bedroom extra in the place that I saw. So I like this place. It's really nice. So I'm back at the front door, and I'm just gonna kind of turn so you guys can see the space. I do like it. I do like it. This is the second property. This is brand spanking new, you guys. When I say brand spanking new, like they're still building over here. I like. What you think, Vash?
I love it.
It's giving me a little bit of my house, a little bit.
Yeah, this is just intentional.
A pinch smaller.
Very cute. It does.
Yeah, I like it. Huh?
I said the layout perfect.
Okay, hold the camera. Let me go over here and see what it looked like if I was cooking. Hold on. Hey guys! Is it okay? They're like, she ain't moved. Right. She ain't moved. I like this little area right here.
Me too.
I like this.
Like a true bar area.
Yeah. I like it. 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 All right, let me go upstairs. I like the floor too, you guys. And I love this. Let's go upstairs. So there's a bedroom here. Bedroom here. This is cute. I like the little like kind of niche area over there. That's cute. I like that. Can't really put a chair. Would have to go here so the closet is still open.
Right.
The closet. Oh, there's 2 closets.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Cute. It's cute. It's not getting my house, but you know. The master. Oh, this is like my this is like my bedroom.
Yep. All the windows.
This is like my bedroom.
Natural lighting is so important, isn't it?
Do you want to stand this way?
Yep. Because
So you
it's
can see
the
better?
glare. Yeah.
Okay. This is cute. Pan to the ceiling. That is giving my bedroom, right? Can y'all see the ceiling fan in here?
Yeah.
I remember telling the realtor my ceiling fan can't go, and she was like, "Just a ceiling fan?" I'm like,
Okay.
"Yeah, is that serious?" Oh, closet is.
Oh yeah,
That's
that's a nice size.
This is a great size. That is huge. Okay. I'm surprised that the cabinets are dark here, not white.
Yeah, I know.
I would have thought because everything else is so white that the cabinets right here would be white.
Yeah, I'm not mad at the dark though either.
No, I'm not. I'm just surprised. Most of the time it must have been a mistake. Most of the time it's like if it's white downstairs, upstairs is white.
Oh yeah, true.
When you in custom homes, they'll do different color cabinets, but stuff like this, they just like do it together. They be like white, dark. They must have branded cabinets. No, like that.
Well, you know, stuff is like on back order, and yeah, girl, and everybody want white, so.
Oh, it only comes with washer and dryer.
This is another closet, linen closet.
I like it.
And then this is the guest bath, right?
I like it. I love the stairs too. The stairs are nice.
Yeah, the stairs are nice.
Okay. I like it. I like this neighborhood, y'all. It's really nice and small. I don't think it's gonna stay small forever because I'm looking right ahead of me and it looks like they're gonna do like another extension right in the front. But I do like it. I'm looking for something that's really gonna wow me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I know you're like, you're renting, why it's such a big deal? It's a big deal because I don't want to bring my furniture in and my furniture can't fit. That's number one. I don't bring my furniture in and my furniture don't match. And so it's like, it would bother me. It would really, really bother me if that was the case. So like, I want to find something that when I walk into it, it makes me really, really happy. Because then when it makes me really, really happy, I don't know, it motivates me to even work harder. You know what I'm saying? So like, and I'm not gonna lie, a little biased, but the amount of work that I put into my house and like what I did to make my living comfortable to me, it's hard just to go back to like regular schmuggler. I'm not gonna lie. How'd you feel about it?
I like it. I like it. Space wise, I think you could use a little, just a tinge more space.
I won't have my desk.
Yeah.
I won't have an office. I won't have a living room.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of things. And this place here is like $2,900 a month. So it's not like it's like $1,500. Because if it was, girl, I'd be like, yeah, this is it.
If you're gonna pay, you definitely want to get.
Yeah, it's like $2,900. I think it's $2,890, which is $2,900 a month.
Yeah.
And it wasn't giving 29.
Yeah.
It's not giving that. And you know why it's not giving that? Because my mortgage was way less. And I know when we're talking about mortgage and renting is two different things, but I'm like, shoot, girl, for my mortgage, you know. So, you guys, the search is gonna continue to go on. But we went and ate. We talked, did a lot of stuff. I'm gonna close the video out here because I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna go look at anything else today. It's already 4 o'clock. I may look at one thing, but we're gonna go ahead and get back on the road. That way we can kind of get stuff settled and everything like that. But I'm already tired. You tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you fed me, so I got the itis.
We went to this really nice place, y'all.
It was good. I had this salmon burger. It was really good. Girl,
I know it was good because the sauce was all over.
I think I ate it in like 5 bites. But I told her, long as she feed me, girl, she can take me at wherever. Okay?
It was good. The food was really
delicious.
good.
Oh, thanks for lunch. I don't think I said thank you.
I think you did.
I just want to make sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I really appreciate it.
I'm gonna say this. I want like I guess living in Savannah, I had like the amenities right near me. So this area, that it is lacking that.
Yeah.
So like, I want to be able just to go to the grocery store. I want to be able just to go to the store. I want to be able just to go.
Yeah, that makes a difference.
And even with Tris, I don't know if you guys know this. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't. But my oldest son, he's gonna be 16 this year. Although I don't want him to work, he wants to find a job. So even if I can find something where like he can like ride his bike a block away, or even like I could take him or whatever, like I want it to be close where like he still has some independence, because now I want him to start gaining that. I'm just be honest, he finna work for me. He don't know it yet, but I'm gonna teach him how to edit. I'm gonna teach him how to hold a camera. I'm gonna teach him how to do all these things, so that way I can just hire him and take my pictures and stuff like that, and I can hire him. Cause I'm spending a lot of money hiring other people, not to edit, but like to do pictures and stuff like that. But I could just hire him, cause he's pretty good behind the camera. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go. Welcome to Atlanta. Oh, I didn't tell you. Somebody tried to holler at me this morning. They could see. No.
And what you doing?
I tried to holler too. No, I didn't.
Silly.
I just laughed.
Well, you are looking real snackish today, honey.
I thought I was looking like a
You
meal.
looking real,
I thought I was a meal.
You are looking like a meal and dessert, honey.
Meal
Yeah,
on
girl,
tray.
you was going in the bank to look. The security guard was trying not to look. As soon as you got to the door, he was I was like, yeah, I know my friend look good, honey. Go ahead, look. He was trying so hard. His little eyes kept on. And then as soon as you hit the door, he was like, yes, I seen that ass.
Oh my gosh. It's kind of funny because I feel like now that I'm not looking,
That's how
people be
all
looking.
the time.
When I first went through my breakup, I was like, oh my God, am I gonna be single? Am I gonna be single?
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, I don't want to be the cat lady. I don't own not one cat. Am I gonna be the cat lady? And so like I was almost not necessarily pressed, but I was definitely like, is this the one? Is this the one? And then finally I was like, girl, what are you doing? Like, just chill, relax, like enjoy yourself, fix your house, get yourself together, like focus on you. And I did all of that, and I feel like now I really do be meeting quality people. I'm just
That's good.
Yeah, I really be meeting real quality, nice, like. But again, like when time is right and everything is, it's gonna hit. Look, she like, she knows something y'all don't know. It's hitting. But yeah, girl. All right, y'all. We're gonna go. It was good hanging with y'all, even though we didn't hang a whole lot. I'll be back at it tomorrow looking at some more properties. I have a good one. Bye.